Skill 3, example 4. So the question says, what are the coordinates of the point on the directed line segment from -7, -10 to not up to 1, -6. So again, these are my endpoints. So x1, y1, x2, y2, that partitions the segment into a ratio of 3 to 1. Alright, so again, 3 to 1 would be 3 out of 4, because you'll be doing 3 out of the sum of the ratios, which would be 3 plus 1, so 4. Okay, so again, we're going to find our new x and y value. So new x is calculated by doing your x1 plus your partition ratio, which is ratio 1 over ratio 1 plus ratio 2. So again, just as a reminder, this really is your ratio 1 and ratio 2, but again, we already know that it's in 3/4, okay? And then multiply by x2 minus x1. So I substitute, so I would put -7 for x1 plus, again, this is a partition, 3/4, multiply by x2 minus x1, which would be 1 minus -7. Now we calculate, so we would have -7 plus 3 over 4, and negative beside negative turns into a positive, so 1 plus 7 is 8. It's the same as 8 over 1, so I'd have -7 plus, so again, you could do 3 times 8, which is 24, and then do 24 divided by 4, which is 6, or you could cross simplify. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, alright, either way works. And then -7 plus 6 is -1. So the x value of that coordinate would be -1. So my new y value will be calculated by doing y1 plus the partition of my ratio, ratio 1 over ratio 1 plus ratio 2, multiplied by y2 minus y1. Okay? So I substitute my y value. My y value is -10. Plus the partition of my ratio is 3 over 4, because again, this is R1, and then R1 plus R2 is just 3 plus 1, which is 4. And then Y2 is -6 minus my Y1, which is -10. So now I calculate -10 plus 3 over 4. I have -6 minus -10, so negative beside negative turns into a positive. So -6 plus 10 is positive 4. Is same as 4 over 1. So I would have -10 plus 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Or you could cross simplify and say that 4 divided by 4 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? So -10 plus 3 is -7. And that would be the point that would cut this into 3/4. Alright? So again, just like that.